Greetings and welcome to my YouTube channel. I remain your guy, Stanemat Okay. And in this tutorial, I want to show you how to make searches on Facebook the right way, how to find anyone or anything on Facebook the right way and very easily, very fast. Okay, so you can see this is my profile here. So my name is Stanemat Okay. I do and teach affiliate marketing. I'm also a website designer using WordPress. Email marketing is also what I can set up. Google Ads is also my profession. Tech and then e-commerce business is also my profession, and this is my website stanimat.com. Okay, if you want to start making searches, if you want to find anybody or anything on Facebook, just come to your Facebook profile like this, your Facebook account like this, and then click on this search icon by the top just before the messenger icon, and then after the plus button there. So click on the search icon and then search for anything. Let's say rider in Port Harcourt. Assuming you are looking for a rider, a dispatch rider in Port Harcourt, okay, and you don't know how to find them, just come here and then search for rider. Then add the plus symbol and then include Port Harcourt or any location that you are looking for them, rider plus Port Harcourt, and then click on the search, make the search. So you see Facebook will now present you with these options here, these options, and these options will contain things that you are looking for exactly. You can see this guy's profile here, dispatch rider in Port Harcourt. But if you just go straight to ask for Port Harcourt rider or Port Harcourt dispatch rider, you'll be seeing so many things. But when you add the plus icon, it will show you the exact thing that you're looking for. Okay, this is what I have tested and I have realized, and that is why I say let me teach you so that you can also learn about it. And then if you look here, you see people, you see groups, you see events, and also pages. There was a time we have option for post, that is for you to see post that mentions or that mention rider and Port Harcourt, but I think Facebook has removed it. So what we now have is people, groups, events, and pages. Okay, we also have reels here and then marketplaces. Okay, so if you want to find anybody, let's say you want to find Stanimat, okay, just come here and type Stanimat, okay. Then you go to people and then you see people that are answering that name. Assuming this rider Port Harcourt is somebody's name, if you go to people now, you start seeing profiles that are created with rider, something that is related to rider or Port Harcourt. You can see this Port Harcourt dispatch riders. This one is Alex rider. Okay, so many of them. Okay, so if you're also looking for groups that are also bearing the same name, maybe you want to join groups that are, maybe you are a dispatch rider, you want to join groups that are related to riders or people where people that are also your colleagues are, can just come to these groups, and then you see groups that are related to dispatch riders in Port Harcourt. Then if you want to search for an event, come to this event here and see it. Then for pages as well, come to these pages and you see different pages that are related to riders or logistics people. Then if you scroll, you see reels as well. Then this one will show you reels, that is video, short videos that people have made that are related to riders. You can see this guy as well. The marketplaces as well, the same thing. So this one is taking us to marketplace, and that's not why we are here. Okay, so assuming we are just in all, and then you want to see this post, you want to see this your result, but you want the recent one, because if you search for here, you can see this one is 4 weeks ago. 4 weeks ago. If you scroll down, you also see 2 years back, 4 weeks ago. If you want to see the recent post about rider in Port Harcourt, or maybe you are searching for cake, just come to this top right. You will see this thing that is like a line with a dot. Click on it and then select recent post. Okay, and you have selected this recent post. Then click on show results. Then allow Facebook will now show you the recent posts of people that say something about riders in Port Harcourt. You can see this one is just 5 hours ago today. That's around 12 o'clock p.m. today, because my time is 5:03. So you can see dispatch rider needed for immediate employment. You get, so if you scroll down, you see 3 hours 39 minutes. So if you also want to search for, maybe you want to filter, this is called filter option. Okay, if you want to also filter more, if you want posts that maybe you have seen the post before, but something happened and then you couldn't take note of that thing on the post, can just click on this post you have seen. If you want a particular date that the post that somebody made a post, then you can click on this date posted, and then you select maybe last year, last 2 years, or anything, anytime you want to select. Okay, then if you also want to select for post from. That is, if there's somebody that you know that made such post, you still have the person's name in your mind, but you have forgotten or you can't trace the post anymore. Just come here and then post from. And you can just select the person, search for the person here. Okay, anyone, your friends, your groups, public posts, and all. Then tag the location. So if that post was tagged in, maybe the person was in Lagos State or in Germany or in USA or in Abakaliki, anywhere, you can just select tag location, then select the location that you want to search the post from. Okay, so that is all. This is how to make searches on Facebook the right one, then find people very fast and very easily without you stressing yourself. So if you learned anything from this video, kindly give me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have videos like this on my channel, so click on my name just below this video, click on my name and it will take you to my channel. Just enjoy the videos there, so you can learn more things about the internet and about social media, and I'll also be publishing more. So subscribe and also click on notify icon, so that when next I publish a video like this, you will be the first person to also receive it. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.